Once your plan is confirmed and you're redirected back, click on Home from the main menu. This is where you can test your AI chatbot in real time. Just type a few sample questions like a customer would, and check how your AI agent responds. It should be able to pull answers from your product descriptions, FAQs, and any other connected data. This is a great way to see if your setup is working smoothly before going live. If anything feels off, you can always go back and fine-tune your training materials. From your Omakase.ai dashboard, you'll also see tons of customization options. You can change the bot's name and profile picture, set a welcome message, choose voice or chat mode, adjust its tone to match your brand, add custom rules for how it responds. It works with physical products, digital downloads, subscriptions, pretty much anything you sell. Now, let's add the chatbot to your actual Shopify store. From your Omakase dashboard, click on Add to Site. You'll see two options here. You can either copy the API key manually or simply click the Connect to Shopify button. This will redirect you to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the option to Enable Theme Extension. Click it to enter your theme editor. Inside, make sure the toggle is switched on, paste your API key if needed, then click Save. That's it. Your AI chatbot is now live and ready to help customers on your site. You can visit your store to see it in action. It should show up as a little chat icon on the bottom corner of your screen. As your chatbot starts interacting with customers, you'll be able to track all the activity from your Omakase dashboard. You can see what questions people are asking, check popular products or support topics, use the data to improve your product descriptions or FAQs. It's a great way to understand what your audience needs and keep your customer experience on point 24/7. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over Shopify's pricing plan so you know what to expect after the trial. First, there's the basic plan, starting at $19 a month when billed yearly. It's great for solo entrepreneurs. You get 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and in-person selling tools. Third-party card rates start at 2%, and you can try it for just $1 a month for the first 3 months. Next is the Grow plan at $49 a month. It's ideal for small teams and includes 5 extra staff accounts, the same inventory and support, and lowers your card fees to 1%. Then we have the Advanced plan, starting at $299 a month. This one's for scaling businesses. You get 15 staff accounts, local storefront support, and even lower payment fees, down to 0.6%. And finally, there's Shopify Plus at $2,300 a month, built for large, complex businesses with custom needs. No need to decide right away. You can explore all of this risk-free with the 3-month trial at ecomsensei.com/Shopify.